Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with B episode. So this is another nail video. Yes, of course. So these are all the items that I didn't have for today. You all know the drill. So yeah. Okay, the only difference is that I do actually have the actual nail glue this time. So they're gonna combine the nail glue with the famous super glue. Oh yeah, we are no longer going to be using our imagination, right? So I finally found my cuticle tool. So yeah, they're going to use this cuticle tool. It doesn't look healthy. It's been through places, child. So forgive her. But yeah, she still does the job. And of course the nails. I did find my nail cutter. I do like trimming off the square nails. Yeah, to a much shorter length. I don't know, you guys have probably noticed I'm a short girl nail type of thing. I don't know. Problem is that I just find short nails very, I don't know, very presentable. Let's just say that. Let's just say that instead. So you guys know, first and foremost, we're going to prep. I'm gonna prep quickly. I did take like a 2 weeks break from the pink that I had previously. There's nothing wrong with taking a break, child. So now I'm gonna go somewhere. So let me just might as well film this video. Did you get? Right. So I'm sure you guys have probably picked up on the background instruments. I'm so sorry about that. There's nothing I can actually do about it because the only great spot to film is actually in the kitchen. So with the fridge freezer making a lot of noise, I can't necessarily switch it off because it's integrated, so it's going to be like a whole process. Do you get? So just bear with me for a minute, right? Until actually I get my until my equipment arrives, and then we good to go. You know? So basically this is how it works. I haven't done the other hand. I'm gonna do it shortly. Okay, that's my dad. So I just washed my hands off camera. Now we're gonna try and stick them on. And I can literally tell these babies don't have numbers on them. Okay. At least they're a nice color, at least. Okay, so let's go. Someone asked me on my DM, why don't you rather consider, what's this thing? Acrylic nails, right? And I just felt like when I had to respond, Sana, it was gonna take forever. So I chose not to respond because mainly, Sana, I know why I do stick-ons, okay? And I don't think it wasn't the plan. Trust me, it wasn't the plan. I think these are 4s. Nope. These here. These are 6s, I guess. And these are gonna be 4s. No, these don't look like 5s. So I was just saying, I think these are 5s. I was just saying, press-ons. Look at the fact that, looking at the fact that I always buy these ones that come in 100 tips or pieces or whatever you want to call it. I prefer those because anytime I want to wear this color again, I can definitely wear it. I don't have to go purchase anything else. I can then purchase something if, for example, I want a different color. So yeah, I actually want to change to a 6 here because I feel like the make is extremely big. So shout out to these ones. I think I'm gonna love these ones. They're bigger in size. So yeah, I think I must go literally smaller for my pinkies because the make is already big. So yeah, guys, once you get a hang of these things, because I've been doing them for these nails for like, I don't know, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years and more, I'm not sure. These actually became my best friend when I was doing second year in varsity. I then just remembered, my mom used to introduce me to these. So we're going to glue these on now. My mom used to introduce me to these. Sana andite super glue, but let's see the writing here. Okay. There's no weird writing, so let's go ahead. So yeah. And then I was doing second year. So there was a lot of typing. So I was just like, I cannot. I used to be a girly for acrylic and gel. Long nails, Sana, I was there. Long nails, I was there. In my way to the fact that I need to go back and trim my nails anytime assignment season pops up. Like I need to go trim my nails. That's boring. The whole idea was for me to have them long and at that design, and it's just a waste of money and time. Besides money and time, just a waste. So I then invested on stick-ons. I saw them somewhere when I was walking around town. And I was like, okay, let's try these for a change. And yeah, never looked back ever since. Besides, anytime I have them on, a lot of people are like, oh my god, are those your nails? Remember, under the cuticle, there's friends on the side, there's friends on the side. Hey guys, so I've already stuck the side on. Oh, I don't know, but these look gorgeous. Essesu made one of her best choices of her life. I don't know. These are gorgeous. I love the make. I love how they're sitting on my hands. I love how they covered this part of my nail. Like it's gorgeous, absolutely. I am still gonna trim them, but I'm not gonna trim them off harshly. So yeah. Then I think I'm gonna go for these 3D design, the roses, the bows, the hearts, all of those shenanigans, but I'm not too sure. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to trim off these nails. Okay, how I'm going to trim them off, it does have a lot of effect on the nails, on how you then trim the nails and how it's structured, or how you then make the nail cutter stand. And yeah, you want to see the whole thing. If you pay attention to detail, you are then going to acknowledge that your nails do have a different shape that is sort of less crispy, because remember, I'm not trimming them drastically. Yeah? Okay, great. So first and foremost, remember, this is how you then use the nail cutter. This is how you carry it. So I'm gonna then turn it around, right, like that. See, this part is in the side, then this front part is the side. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the nail like this. Okay, it allows me to see room of how much I'm then like clipping off. Right. Then it leaves all these. And pinch these together. So we're all done and dusted. Everything cut off, everything filed off. Nice and simple. Keep it like this. Keep it going. Keep it moving. These look gorgeous. I'm not gonna add designs. Thank you so much for staying this long on the video. Highly appreciate it. Kindly subscribe, please, to keep notified for any other earlier uploads. Latest uploads. And yeah, like, comment, and share. Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Well, evening rather.